How to add button in WordPress website. Are you looking to enhance your WordPress website with eye-catching buttons that drive action? In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to add customizable buttons that guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Post menu. Click on Add New Post. Click on the plus icon to open the block menu. Types button in the search bar. Click on button to add it to your post. Write the button text. For example, click here. Click on the settings icon to choose your background color and text color. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily add buttons to your WordPress site and boost engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.